Part of owning and operating a corporation or a limited liability company is the need to present an annual, or in some cases a biannual, report that the corporation or the LLC is still operating and functional. Each state has its own rules regarding filing deadline, the required information for each individual report, and the fees needed for this process. Companies are required to file an annual report in their state of incorporation or registration and in each state in which they are registered to do business. States differ on annual reporting requirements, including the information that must be provided and the fees associated with the filings. The most common information needed in each state is the names and addresses of the company's officers, directors, and registered agent. Companies file their annual reports based on their most recent annual meetings and are responsible for notifying each Secretary of State of any material changes to the company. Base filing fees can range from as low as $7 to as much as $500, depending on the state and entity type. Some states, such as Virginia, calculate the annual fee based on the total number of shares of a corporation. Virginia's maximum annual fee is $1,700 for corporations with over 270,000 shares. Failure to file an annual report can have serious consequences for your business, including penalties and the administrative dissolution of your company. Both the government and our businesses rely on the information in annual reports for a number of reasons, so it is important that your annual reports are accurate and filed in a timely manner. North Carolina's annual report deadline is April 15, with the online filing system opening up on January 1 each year. The North Carolina Secretary of State filing fee is $21 for corporations and $203 for LLCs. BridgeHouseLaw has been assisting businesses with their annual report filings for many years and is available to help your business with its 2024 filing requirements. Please contact us today for assistance with annual reporting and any other corporate compliance needs you may have.